Welcome back to the basement, you. We had a big week in the gold and silver market. Will gold and silver continue their march forward? We've got some big stories we need to talk about. Inflation, massive gold buys, all kinds of things that we can look at to get some hints as to where we think things are heading, right? We want to figure out where are things heading. But first, we're going to do a quick recap of all the market action from last week. Let's get started right now. Did you notice that gold had a really good week last week, starting at $1,871 per ounce, ending the week at $1,923 per ounce. Now, earlier in the week on Monday, I had made a prediction that we would end the week at 1,917. I was off by a few dollars, but guys, I am barely ever right on these, so let me bask in my glory. And it's not just you and me who are bullish on gold. Jeffrey Gunlock, look him up. Actually, there's another video about him I made on my channel you can check out. He's like an A+, 2.2 billionaire person, and he is very bullish for the price of gold in 2023. The junior gold miners also had a very good week. The GDXJ ETF starting the week at $39.48, ending the week at $40.40, up about 2% for the week. The GDXJ, I will remind you again, just back in April of last year, like what, 8-9 months ago, was at $52. It would still need to go up by 30% from where it is right now just to get back to where it was within the last 10 months. And I've got two fascinating points I want to bring up about the mining stocks. We're going to do that later in the video. Let's talk about silver. It started the week at $24, ended the week at $24.42, up about 2%. The silver mining stocks up 3%. The SIL ETF that tracks the silver miners started the week at $30.32, ended the week at $31.24. The silver miners were up about 3%. Don't forget, at $24 silver, most of the silver miners are printing money. Do you have some money in general stocks? The S&P 500 also had a great week, up from $38.95 to start the week, ending the week right at 4,000, up about 2.5%. How about the 10-year bond yield? That really has a big impact on the price of gold and silver. It dropped from 3.57 all the way down to 3.51. I think they call that 6 bips or something like that. 0.06% drop. Nothing huge, but when rates go down, the dollar goes down, and the price of gold and silver go up, and that's been the trend lately, and the trend is definitely our friend, especially when it's going in that direction. Do you own some Bitcoin? You can be honest with me, I don't. But if you do, you had a really good week, up almost 20%. According to my calculations, you started the week at $16,600 per coin and ended the week at $19,842 per coin. I don't know why they call it coins. They're always like dissing on gold and silver. We have the coins. We have real coins. Here, we have bars too. Here's a real bar. A 10-ounce upside-down silver bar. Whoop! There you go. Look at that beauty. Do you think all the crypto people are happy right now? Can't you just see them turning their laser eyes back on? I don't know about you. Again, if you own it or you don't, but if I did, I'd be looking at this little run-up that they may have as a good chance to cash out and buy some physical gold and silver. Overall, we had a pretty good week in the market. It felt pretty good, most likely for you, right? I'll tell you what makes me feel even better when you, yes, you, and look, I haven't told you this in a while. There's only one you. You're unique, you're special. Nobody else in the world is just like you. So when you come join me here in the basement, it's an honor for me. I hope you enjoy coming here, getting a little refuge from the craziness of the world so we can try to figure some stuff out. You're always welcome here, and your ideas are important. Leave a comment in the comment section below. If you could give the video a thumbs up, the bear would appreciate it. And don't forget, if you want to come back, subscribe.